Welcome to the channel, everybody. Coming to you, look at that disclaimer. We're coming to you covering the charts on Canton Network. We got 6 minutes left in the day before we go into a new day. Canton Network pushed up a little bit, now it's pulling back. Sitting at 0.1509 cents. Up today still 2.18%. You can see on the chart here, Canton Network, it pulled, this was the previous week low, and this made the previous week high up here. It came back down, it worked its way down, fell just below, you got the previous week low. We ran back up and tried to get back to the previous day high and couldn't, got rejected. Looking for Canton Network to come back and test this area right here where the support's at our previous day low before we get back, work our way back up, test this previous day high and get back up to the previous day week. It's where I'm looking for us to go. Previous week high sits around 15.9 cents. Our previous day high sits at 15.4 cents, almost at 15.5 cents. So look for us to come down. We got rejected right here, just below the previous day high, and look for us to come back and retest this previous day low and pick up just some support right here, and then moving on up and retesting this previous day high, getting back into upper trend and testing this previous week high. Canton Network's been doing good. It was in a downward trend. And what we done overall, we broke out back here. We broke out of this downward trend that we was in. Let me take this out. We broke out. We was in a downward trend coming down through here, right here, and we broke out this top upward trend. Well, basically what we done is came up, made this previous week high, come down and retested this downward trend line, this downward channel. So now we bounced off of that. So we showing bullish structure, and we hit it backing up. We're gonna go back up and get back into this upward channel. It came down, it went up and retested, getting back in this upward channel, and right now it got resisted. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna come down, we're gonna pick up some more support, and we're gonna go back up, and we're gonna get in this channel right here and continue right on up. But if you don't hold Canton Network, it's an awesome project. It's the banker's token. Not necessarily going to take the place of XRP. It will, far as banks and institutions wise, but cross-border liquidity, XRP is still ahead of that game. So what we're seeing here, we got this W pattern still going on, as you can see right here. They're all over the board. You came down here, you made a W pattern, you made one right here, you made another one right here. So you kind of, you made one right here, but got up and got rejected. So I think we're going to come down and, and make our way right back up in there. So as long as we don't have no negative news out there, with the war going on in Iran, we could see a continuation moving up. But you can look for it to come down and test this previous day low sits at 14.6 cents. And you got the previous week low sits right below it at 14.5, 14.6 cents. So we're going to come down, and we tested that area from the previous day high, coming from the previous week high. So overall, we came down, we tested it, got right below the previous week. We broke through the previous day low. We went up, got close to the previous day high, got a rejection. We're going to come back down. We could come all the way back down right here at 14.5 cents before going back up, getting above the previous day high, and getting back up here at the previous week high. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. We do have, these are resistance levels at previous week high, previous day high, and you got one, you got the previous day high and the previous week high is our resistance. So we're going to come back down, pick up some support, and we're going to move right on back up and probably have a little rally. So comment, like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And I want to say God bless each and every one of you, and we'll see you on the next one.